So by the end of this video, you're going to be able to take a pattern that you've created in your channel rack or in your arrangement, and you're going to be able to separate this out so that you can copy and paste individual parts or change individual parts. Let's get started. So you have a pattern that you've created. We can take a quick listen to this one. Okay, so that's basically what the pattern sounds like. So what I need to do to separate the parts of this pattern is to right-click on the pattern itself in the arrangement window, and then you're going to see there's an option near the bottom where it says split by channel. So I'm going to click that. And so now you can see each part of the channel rack has been split so that I have each one separately. So now I can take the kick and just click it and left click and drag it into my arrangement. And again, with the paint icon selected, I can move it around. And then same thing with the clap, I can select, once I have it selected, you can just click anywhere. With paint selected, you can click anywhere, and that will add that to your arrangement. You can right click to delete. And again, you can take any one of these parts and add that to your arrangement. And this will save you a ton of time when it comes to your patterns. Sometimes you just want to change little things in your patterns. You might have also clicked on this video so that you can separate the pattern within the arrangement window. So to do that, you just click the split or the splice. And then in the pattern itself, you just left click and then drag to where you would like the time to be. And now I've split that into two sections. So that's another thing you can do for splitting the patterns. You can split it here by part, and then you can split the whole pattern in the arrangement window. So if you've made it this far into the video, you're probably looking for other FL Studio tips and tricks. I have another video on how to change the key of any sample within FL Studio. I'll put a link to it here, and I'll see you in the next video.